There are tremendous improvements in quality and process efficiency available in virtually every factory out there, and our ThingWorx team is all over it. So at this point, we have a physical product that mirrors its digital definition, and looking back over time, the story has typically ended there. I mean, let's be frank, in an industry that calls itself product lifecycle management, nobody's done much lifecycle management. When the product left the factory, we lost sight of it, though it labored on in the field for years or maybe even decades. But that's changing now, because with IoT, we can connect the products in the field and the assets in the factory back to us and monitor them throughout their full lifetime of use. We can collect data from a fleet of similar smart products that are distributed all over the world, or we can collect data from each unique combination of dissimilar assets that you find gathered together in every factory, work site, or city infrastructure. We can bring that data back across the boundary into the digital world, where we can analyze it to understand how the product's being used, what experiences it's been subjected to, and how well the design is working. Now, where it really gets interesting is when we combine the definition of the product with the experience of the product in what we call a model-based digital twin that gives us a deep digital understanding of the physical product. We can even use the data coming from the product in the field to feed into Creo Simulate or ANSYS or Simulate or tools like that to help us see what's happening inside our design as the product goes through its motions out in the physical world. By looking at this digital twin, we gain incredible insights into ways that we could improve the product's design, operation, and service. So with these powerful feedback loops in place for the first time, we now have the foundation for a true cradle-to-grave concept of product lifecycle management. So let's step back and think about IoT and PLM for a moment. The things in IoT are products that came out of a factory. And really, at the highest level, why would you connect products to the internet if not to better lifecycle manage them? The simple answer is that IoT is PLM, or at least it's the next generation of it. It's this epiphany that launched PTC on our physical-digital convergence journey 5 years ago. But there are so many new possibilities with this new generation of PLM. It turns out, for example, that a model-based digital twin also powers the next boundary crossing technology, which is augmented reality, or AR. Now, AR means to take data and insights off your computer screen and put them directly on the physical world around you. Almost like putting digital decorations on a physical Christmas tree. Talk about putting information in context. So by decorating the digital twin with the most important digital insights in the form of dashboards or step-by-step procedures, we have everything we need to engage the physical world with AR. When we encounter a physical product or an asset out in the field, we simply consult its digital twin and we transpose all of those digital decorations onto the corresponding physical item. And presto changeo, physical and digital convergence happens right before your very eyes, as if it were magic. Now I want to pause here and reinforce a key point that I think is one of PTC's unique perspectives in the market. While IoT brings data from the physical world to the digital world, AR brings data from the digital world back to the physical world. So IoT and AR need each other, but it's CAD and PLM that are the matchmaker that connects them together. Now, from the moment you have your first AR experience, you instinctively know that mapping digital insights onto the physical world will enable humans to understand more clearly and make better decisions faster. I mean, this idea is coming at us like a freight train. Okay, but what if you're not near the physical asset? Well, you could simulate it with virtual reality instead. Just transpose those very same dashboards and procedures onto a hologram created from the digital twin, and you'll achieve much of the same in-context power and understanding, but now with an ability to transcend the limits of distance, time, and scale. That's exciting stuff. So I trust you'll agree that what's happening at this frontier of innovation, where physical meets digital, creates amazing opportunities. Technologies like 3D printing and smart manufacturing and IoT and analytics and AR and VR open up so many new possibilities. Now I'm guessing that seeing the central role that CAD and PLM play might be surprising to some of you. When we at PTC realized that IoT is PLM, we became incredibly passionate about pursuing this frontier of innovation. And to be frank, we couldn't be more pleased with the results that we've achieved. Now I hope you can see that PTC just might be the only company that has both the heritage and the vision to see these new possibilities and to assemble the depth and breadth of technology and expertise necessary to help companies capitalize on this new frontier of innovation. Now that's quite a story for a simple logo to communicate, and I love how this logo captures both the essence of who PTC is, as well as the possibilities that are available to all of us. But I think the only thing better than visualizing something in this form would be to experience it. So I want to help you live it this morning by taking you on a journey through the amazing things that customers are doing with PTC technology. Let's take a look at how physical and digital convergence is driving incredible innovation from engineering through the new digital organization, into sales and marketing, and out into the operations at your site and your customers. Now to take you on this journey across the new frontier of innovation, we partnered with Bosch Rexroth, a fantastic PTC customer and one of the world's leaders in industrial drive and control. Bosch Rexroth shares both our vision and our excitement about what's happening. And by using one of their new smart connected products, a hydraulic power system called the CytroPack, we're going to see just what lies